There is no Preeti font in my computer. Now I will show you how to download and install Preeti Front In Computer. Subscribe my channel for more useful videos. First open Chrome browser. Search. Download Preeti fonts. Click on first website. Scroll down. Click download font. After file download, then click download file and click show in folder. Right click on file. Click extract all. Then open Preeti normal. Copy Preeti normal. Go back. Search control panel. Open control panel. Make sure view by is large icons. You can see there is fonts. Click fonts. Then paste Preeti fonts here. Now check Preeti font available. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.